Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects many women, irregular periods. If you've ever experienced unpredictable cycles, you know how frustrating and disruptive it can be. But fear not, because in this video, we'll explore what causes irregular periods and share 10 natural proven tips to help you restore balance to your menstrual cycle. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest informative videos. First off, what exactly do we mean by irregular periods? Well, simply put, irregular periods refer to changes in the length, duration, or regularity of your menstrual cycle. While the occasional irregular cycle is normal, persistent irregularities might indicate an underlying health issue. Now, what are some common causes of irregular periods? Let's break it down. 1. Hormonal imbalance. Hormones play a crucial role in regulating your menstrual cycle. Any disruption in hormone levels, such as estrogen and progesterone, can lead to irregular periods. This imbalance can be caused by factors like stress, excessive exercise, or thyroid disorders. 2. Polycystic ovary syndrome. POS is a common hormonal disorder among women of reproductive age. It's characterized by the presence of cysts on the ovaries, irregular periods, and high levels of androgens, male hormones. POS can lead to irregular ovulation and, consequently, irregular periods. 3. Thyroid disorders. The thyroid gland produces hormones that regulate metabolism. When the thyroid gland is underactive, hypothyroidism, or overactive, hyperthyroidism, it can disrupt the menstrual cycle, causing irregular periods. 4. Excessive exercise. While staying active is essential for overall health, excessive exercise can sometimes lead to irregular periods. Intense physical activity can affect hormone levels, particularly if it leads to significant weight loss or low body fat percentage. 5. Stress. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your body, including your menstrual cycle. Stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that can interfere with the production of reproductive hormones, leading to irregular periods. 6. Weight fluctuations. Significant changes in weight, whether weight gain or weight loss, can disrupt hormone levels and menstrual regularity. This is especially true for extreme fluctuations, such as those seen in eating disorders or rapid weight loss/gain. 7. Medications. Certain medications, such as hormonal contraceptives, can cause changes in menstrual patterns. Additionally, medications used to treat conditions like epilepsy or depression may also affect menstrual cycles. Understanding the underlying cause of irregular periods is the first step towards finding the right treatment or management approach. If you're experiencing irregular periods, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. They can help identify the underlying cause and develop a personalized plan to address it. So, without further ado, here are 10 natural, proven tips to help you treat irregular periods and restore harmony to your menstrual cycle. 1. Balanced diet. We're delving into how a balanced diet can help treat irregular periods. First things first, let's talk about what constitutes a balanced diet. It's all about getting the right mix of nutrients from a variety of foods. This means plenty of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. A balanced diet provides your body with the vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients it needs to function optimally. When you're lacking in certain nutrients, it can throw off your hormonal balance, which can contribute to irregular periods. So, how does a balanced diet specifically help with irregular periods? Well, for starters, it can help regulate your hormones. Certain nutrients, like omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, can help reduce inflammation and regulate your menstrual cycle. Be sure to include foods high in iron and essential vitamins and minerals. 2. Manage stress. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a constant companion for many of us. From work deadlines to family obligations, it can feel like we're constantly under pressure. But did you know that this chronic stress can wreak havoc on our menstrual cycles? Stress affects the body in numerous ways, including disrupting hormonal balance. When we're stressed, our bodies produce higher levels of cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone. Elevated cortisol levels can interfere with the normal production of reproductive hormones, leading to irregular periods. But how exactly does stress impact our menstrual cycles? Well, it can manifest in various ways. For some women, stress can cause their periods to become irregular, either coming too frequently or too infrequently. Others may experience more intense symptoms, such as painful cramps or heavy bleeding. The good news is that there are plenty of effective stress management techniques that can help restore balance to our bodies and our menstrual cycles. One of the simplest ways to combat stress is by carving out time for self-care. Whether it's taking a warm bath, practicing meditation, or enjoying a leisurely walk in nature, prioritizing activities that bring you joy and relaxation can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Journaling can also be a powerful tool for managing stress. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help you gain perspective on stressful situations and find constructive ways to cope with them. Building strong social connections is another important aspect of stress management. Spending time with friends and family, or even just having a heartfelt conversation with a loved one, can provide a much-needed sense of support and belonging. And let's not forget the importance of nutrition. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help support your body's ability to cope with stress and maintain hormonal balance. So, if you're struggling with irregular periods, don't underestimate the power of stress management. By incorporating these simple yet effective techniques into your daily routine, you can help restore harmony to your body and enjoy a healthier menstrual cycle. 3. Maintain a healthy weight. We're shedding light on how maintaining a healthy weight can play a crucial role in restoring balance to your menstrual cycle. When it comes to your menstrual cycle, maintaining a healthy weight is key. Excess body fat can lead to hormonal imbalances, which in turn can cause irregular periods. So, how exactly does weight impact your menstrual cycle? Well, let's break it down. First off, excess body fat can lead to an overproduction of estrogen, which can throw off the delicate balance of hormones responsible for regulating your menstrual cycle. This imbalance can result in irregular periods, including skipped periods or periods that are heavier or lighter than usual. But maintaining a healthy weight isn't just about shedding pounds. It's about adopting a lifestyle that supports your overall well-being. Eating a balanced diet rich in whole foods, think fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight while also providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Regular exercise is another crucial component of maintaining a healthy weight and supporting menstrual health. Not only does exercise help burn calories and build muscle, but it can also help reduce stress levels, which can further support hormonal balance. And let's not forget about the importance of sleep. Getting enough quality sleep is essential for regulating your hormones and supporting overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to give your body the rest it needs to thrive. 4. Herbal remedies. Herbs have been used for centuries to treat a wide range of health issues, including menstrual irregularities. Many herbs contain compounds that can help balance hormones, reduce inflammation, and support overall reproductive health. So, what are some herbal remedies that can help regulate irregular periods? Let's take a look. One popular herb for menstrual health is chasteberry, also known as Vitex. Chasteberry can help regulate menstrual cycles by balancing levels of estrogen and progesterone in the body. It's often used to treat conditions like irregular periods, PMS, and even symptoms of menopause. Ginger is another herb with powerful medicinal properties. It contains gingerol, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. Drinking ginger tea or adding fresh ginger to your meals can help alleviate menstrual cramps and reduce inflammation. Raspberry leaf is a traditional remedy for menstrual and reproductive health. It's rich in nutrients like iron, magnesium, and vitamins B and C, which can help support a healthy menstrual cycle. Drinking raspberry leaf tea throughout your cycle can help tone the uterus and reduce menstrual discomfort. Lavender is well known for its calming and relaxing properties. Using lavender essential oil in aromatherapy or adding it to a warm bath can help reduce stress and promote relaxation, which can be beneficial for women experiencing irregular periods due to stress or anxiety. And let's not forget about herbal blends specifically formulated for menstrual health. Many companies offer herbal teas and supplements designed to support hormonal balance and regulate menstrual cycles. Look for blends that contain ingredients like dandelion root, dong quai, and red clover. While herbal remedies can offer natural support for menstrual irregularities, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for overall health, including reproductive health. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to stay hydrated and support proper hormone function. 6. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Excessive consumption of caffeine and alcohol can disrupt hormone levels and contribute to irregular periods. Limit your intake of these substances for better menstrual health. 7. Regular exercise. Regular physical activity can help regulate your hormones and improve blood flow to the pelvic area. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. 8. Healthy sleep habits. Getting adequate sleep is crucial for hormone regulation and overall well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support a healthy menstrual cycle. 9. Reduce exposure to endocrine disruptors. Endocrine-disrupting chemicals found in certain plastics, cosmetics, and household products can interfere with hormone function. Opt for natural, eco-friendly alternatives whenever possible. 10. Consider supplements. In some cases, supplements like magnesium, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D may help regulate menstrual cycles. However, always consult with a healthcare professional before adding supplements to your regimen. And there you have it, 10 natural tips to help you treat irregular periods and promote a healthier menstrual cycle. Remember, consistency is key, so be patient and give these tips time to work their magic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on women's health. Thanks for watching and take care.